Okay.
Okay.
Y'all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
What's up? We are at our first stop for lunch at Mico's. We're headed to Kill Me Crazy afterwards. This is a black-owned business here in the Heights. Mico's Hot Chicken. It is amazing. They do amazing food, and we are happy to have them on Houston Host 2021 Black Bloggers. Listen, yes, we appreciate you.
I'm gonna get you.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get you and G.
No, you're fine. This is behind the scenes of content creation. We have Dom in the city with her Mico's hot chicken sandwich.
Trying to move your head to the side so you won't be in it?
Yeah, girl. I thought it was supposed to be.
Hold on, let me. Okay.
Want some bananas in here, though? Oh, you like bananas? The banana one? Just funny. He's like, oh, these are good, though.
Blogger 2021, thank you for visiting Mico's.
You did good.
2021, thank you for visiting Mico's.
Yay! I mean, I tried it. Hello. Hey y'all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. What's up?
What the goal is to put out some of our lattes for y'all to see, and I know y'all are passing through, so we'll have all of our hot lattes as a visual for you, and just let us know which ones y'all want to take with you, and we'll make that for each individual. And what we have here is t-shirts. So these are t-shirts like so y'all can be cool like me. We also have the golden latte, the cafe au lait, and the matcha rose latte. You know what I'm saying? So been there a little bit. So let me know what y'all want me to do.
Keandre, the music is on point.
I just don't know. Yeah, we had a DJ in earlier, just as a customer, and she complimented my music selection as well.
You stand in the middle.
Excited to be a part of Black Excellence in the city of Houston, and we're trying to represent the healthy side of the experience in the city. So welcome.
Woo!
Right.
Cheers to Houston Host Black Bloggers.
Cheers!
Take your picture and I'm gonna come like walk by you. Yeah.
Oh, that's
And we're gonna have Derek in the middle. Yeah, throw up the ace. There we go.
Yeah.
One more.
Hey y'all! You see me riding and styling this ALTO. They are one of our premier Houston Host Black Bloggers 2021 sponsors.
Come on now.
That's beautiful. I know this from a French bistro when I was living in Brooklyn years ago, and it was black owned. Everybody who worked there was black. Everybody was French, and I was like, I walked into work every day. Everyone was beautiful, and they were like, and I was just like, I don't even know what to say, but like, you know, I did the best I could. But Mos Def used to come in. I used to see Chris Rock. This was like in the heyday of Brooklyn. It was a beautiful time. Anyway, so Babette, there was a woman there by the name of Babette. So there's like this film, this woman who I knew in Brooklyn who had the name Babette. So it's always been in my heart. The cafe, which is opening soon, is called Babette. It's salads, sandwiches. So what I've done is just little tasters of the sandwiches. This is the jerk chicken salad on brioche. This is a pearl couscous, grilled chicken, apricot. This, kale. This is egg salad with dill. This is a salad that I love so much. It has pickled beets. I'm sorry, yes, or it's more like a kimchi beet, but it has like boursin cheese, avocado, sunflower seeds. It's kind of like the farmy type salad. It's very simple, but this is probably it will be what's on the menu. At local neighborhood cafe, we can go get sandwiches and salads. So.
How you doing? I'm a holder.
Yeah, me too. Nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you as
sir.
well.
The whole side is split amongst. So we just closed on the restaurant today. Today we own the dirt. I'm just grateful and excited about having a talent like yours leading this company and the nonprofit into where we're going. And you are truly undeniable.
Thank you.
So thank you, Sawyer.
That was good. Wow. I don't know.
No, that was good. It's okay.
That was
Jalen wrote it for me, so.
that was great. Welcome. And thank y'all for coming here. And I am about to make y'all some food. There are a couple of changes. I don't know where Jalen left off, but I will fill in some things about what we're doing throughout the course of the night. There's one change on the first course. You will have a salad with these delicious apples that I've never experienced before, but you're going to today. And the reason is because they sent me the wrong persimmons. And if any of you know, who's eating a persimmon that's not right? That's not right. That's not right. That's not right. So it is like a super astringent thing that will suck all of the moisture out of your mouth, and you won't be able to enjoy anything else. And I don't want to do that to y'all. So I'm serving a salad with some apples, and they're really good. So I'm gonna get going with the first course. I will chat with you after I serve it, and we'll just keep going like that.
Wait, sorry, Dawn, one more thing.
Oh,
Since you're having food that's not from Lucille's, could you just describe a little bit like your cooking style? I mean, it's good.
yeah, I was going to. Like,
Okay.
Yeah. But I can do it now. My style of cooking is global comfort, and that just means, you know, that I explore all culinary cuisines, and I pull from basically the inspiration from their grandmothers. Like everybody's grandma is the best cook, right? And so I learn, you know, I go back to the core of the dish that I really love, and I make it so that it's my own, so I can make it authentically so. And then from there, I just kind of, you know, manipulate ingredients to come with a newfound way of presenting these new flavors. So I will explain more after the first course.
Hey, everybody ready? Are you gonna lead our toast?
Yes, I will.
Okay. The most beautiful distiller in the business.
Yes, that shit great.
The podcast has been insane.
I know it's a good podcast, but
Her voice is very annoying.
they saw him on the street and like stuck the thing out of the car to hit him, and they killed him. Like on purpose.
Anybody?
Oh my God. That's good. So it made that.
Stand close to heel. Good. Come down. That's so. Come down and close to heel. Head underneath. Feet through. Everybody should be facing the front. Sweet baby Jesus. Good. Okay. From here. Head down. Up. Across. Down. Up. Up the pole, shake down 3. 1, 2, 3, and pull it up. But as you're coming up, though, let me see struggle face when you're coming up. It's not good. Don't fuck up my choreography. So 1, 2, 3, pull it up.
That's the way to feel it.
Did you feel it in your bones?
Look, that's that.
Y'all are the real YouTubers.
You said, okay. Ready?
Mico. It's alright, we'll do 4. Cheers.
Hey, you saw it. Come on, Ella. Come on, Ella. Yeah, but see, even your country ain't too twangy though. What you said? Your country ain't too twangy. I got a draw. You ain't got no draw? It is a draw. It ain't a real draw. It's only a draw when you say draw. No, I have a draw. I don't have a twang. You don't have a draw. You only have a draw when you say draw. So do you have a southern draw or a southern twang? Darling Park got a twang. I got a draw. You got a draw.
It was Third Ward, but now they're like, this is the medical center. Well, this side of Third Ward is where we had redlining that was on West Alabama. It started on West Alabama. Yes.
Yeah, Alabama.
I think I've been here when.
Yeah. Everybody just bob your head, dance.
Oh, they actually are playing the music now.
She's like, no.
All right, let's go.
I think so.
He saved me. I said, how we just stressed out the professional eaters?
Okay, I eat for a living. This is true, but I eat once a day. The concoction that y'all have concocted. We done been to 8 restaurants today, and all of them serve full-course meals.
Sure did.
How?
That's Houston. That's Houston. That's Houston.
We ain't never had no apple pie before.
Welcome to Houston, baby.
There's something that's trying to make you want to eat it too, but you ain't never had
I'm
it.
gonna taste it though.
Grown ass man. Grown ass man. Let's go, y'all. Take y'all bites. Know this shit.
How y'all feeling?
More food.
Can I buy a shirt off of you and bring it? Or to the front.
There's nobody. There's nobody back there. Okay. Yes, and your. And then, yeah.